Hello everyone. If you want clear steps, simple ideas, and a friendly guide, you are in the right place. Today, you and I will explore 5 powerful chapters that will make your English learning easier, faster, and more enjoyable. No stress, no pressure, just real English that you can use every single day. Take a deep breath, relax, and let us begin your journey to confident English. Chapter 1. Start small, stay consistent. You want to learn English, and you want to learn it well. The first step in your English success plan is very simple. You start small. You do not rush. You do not try to learn everything in one day. You just take one easy step at a time. Every morning, you can learn one new word. In the afternoon, you can read one short sentence. At night, you can listen to 1 minute of English audio. These small actions look simple, but they build strong habits. You have already learned many things in your life. You learned them slowly. You learned them by repeating. You can do the same with English. When you stay consistent, your mind becomes comfortable with the language. Right now, you may feel that English is difficult. But tomorrow, you will understand more. Next week, you will feel more confident. And one day, you will speak without fear. This happens because your small steps grow into big progress. Remember something important. You do not need perfection. You only need daily practice. When you show up every day, even for a few minutes, you move forward. Your English journey begins with a single step. And you are taking that step today. Keep going. You are doing great. Chapter 2. Listen to real English. You learn a lot when you listen. Listening is the quiet teacher that stays with you every day. When you listen to real English, your ears slowly understand the sounds, the rhythm, and the flow of the language. You can listen while you walk, while you sit, or while you relax. You can listen to short news clips, slow conversations, or simple stories. In the beginning, you may catch only a few words. That is normal. Everyone starts like that. Right now you might think, I do not understand anything. But tomorrow, you will understand one more word. Next week, you will understand one full sentence. Month after month, your ears will grow stronger. You hear different tones when people speak. Some people speak fast. Some speak softly. Some use long sentences. When you listen to all these voices, you learn how real English sounds in everyday life. You do not have to repeat everything you hear. Just relax and allow the words to come to you. Later, you can try speaking the same lines. This practice connects your ears and your tongue. Every time you listen, your English improves. You are training your ears gently, and this training will guide you toward confidence. Keep listening. Your progress is already happening. Chapter 3. Speak without fear. You want to speak English, but sometimes your voice becomes quiet. You think you will make mistakes. You think people will judge you. But the truth is simple. You learn to speak by speaking. You can start today. You can speak one small sentence. You can say, I am learning English. You can say, I am improving every day. These lines may feel simple, but they build your confidence. Right now, you may feel shy. But yesterday, you felt even more shy. Tomorrow, you will feel braver. Every day, your courage grows a little more. This is how speaking works. When you speak, do not focus on perfection. Focus on expression. Your ideas are more important than your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make them. You can talk to yourself in the mirror. You can describe things around you. You can tell the story of your day. You can repeat what you hear in videos. Your tongue learns the language when it moves. If someone corrects you, accept it with a smile. You are learning. If no one corrects you, that is fine. You are still learning. Every sentence you speak today prepares you for a better tomorrow. Keep speaking. Your voice is getting stronger. Chapter 4. Learn words in context. You learn words faster when you see them living inside real sentences. A single word alone feels empty. But a word in a sentence becomes meaningful. It shows you how people use it, when they use it, and why they use it. Right now, you may try to memorize long lists. You read 10 new words, but tomorrow you forget 7 of them. This happens to many learners. Your mind remembers better when the word has a story around it. For example, you can learn the word bright. But when you hear the morning is bright and you feel fresh, the word becomes clear. You understand it with feelings, not just memory. You can read short stories, headlines, or daily conversations. Every time you read, notice how the words connect. Notice how one sentence helps the next one. This is how your brain builds strong vocabulary. Tomorrow, you may learn a new phrase. Next week, you may use that phrase in your own sentence. One day, you will speak that sentence naturally without thinking. This is the power of context. You do not need hundreds of words in one day. You only need real examples. Every real sentence teaches your mind something new. Keep learning with meaning. Your vocabulary is growing beautifully. Chapter 5. Enjoy the process. You learn English faster when you enjoy the journey. When you smile, relax, and have fun, your mind opens like a window. New words enter easily. New ideas stay longer. Learning becomes light, not heavy. You can enjoy English in many ways. You can watch a movie and notice how people speak. You can read a short story and imagine the characters. You can listen to a joke, a simple song, or a friendly conversation. Each moment brings a little joy. And this joy becomes your energy. Right now, you may feel that learning is slow. But yesterday, you knew less. Tomorrow, you will know more. Progress is happening quietly inside you. You just need to trust the process. When you make mistakes, do not worry. Laugh a little. Mistakes show that you are trying. They are signs of growth. Everyone who learns something new makes mistakes every day. You can change your environment too. Keep English words around you. Keep a small book. Keep a story open. Keep a simple reminder, I enjoy learning. As days pass, you will feel more confident and comfortable. English will not feel like a subject anymore. It will feel like a friend you enjoy spending time with. Keep enjoying the process. Your success is already on the way. End. You have now completed your episode English Success Plan. You learn to start small, listen more, speak without fear, understand words in context, and enjoy the whole journey. Remember, you grow every day, even when you do not notice it. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Your English success is not far. It is already beginning. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.